Hello everyone, my name is Juan. I'm 16 years old. I study at Technical High School. I go with my friend. Today, today I talk about doing homework. In first, doing doing homework. Many big, many life skill, such as teamwork skill, independent, and many stand simply doing jobs, simply and doing our third doing our support the gap lifestyle is healthy. When in my home, I and my father put away much bed in user studies and our clothes in and we feeling is funny. Uh,
5 minutes.
finish.
Do you do homework at home? Do you do homework at home?
Yes, of course. I always doing homework at home because